All right, so today we're gonna be taking a look at this household steamer, and this is a very compact steamer. I'm gonna show you everything that comes inside of the kit, and I'm gonna go ahead and demo it on a very dirty part of the house so you can see how well it actually works. All right, so let's look at everything that comes in the kit first, and then we'll go ahead and get straight into the demo. So first off, you're gonna notice here that we've got some gloves that come with it, and these gloves have like a little nodes on them, which is really nice because not only are these going to be helping to protect your hands, but when you put these on, if you've got something that is, you know, kind of gross or grimy and you need to kind of scrub it out, one of the ways that you could do it is with this. So you want to hit it with the steam first, then you could use these gloves, kind of scrub it out and get that mess kind of irritated, hit it with the steamer one more time, and then it should wipe off nice and easy. And it's cool that they give you both of these gloves. They are reusable, and you can see they're made out of some type of silicone. They even have like a little hook on the bottom right here, so if you wanted to kind of pin these together and hook them up, you could utilize these for plenty of other things in the house too. It's going to come with a microfiber cloth that has one side that's kind of low pile and the other side that is nice and fluffy and soft, and it's crazy. It's almost like you can't even feel this. It's so soft. So yeah, this is the microfiber that comes with it. You've got a bunch of different attachments that's going to come with it here. So you could utilize the main tip, which is going to be this one right here on top of it. And we can go ahead and put it on just like that, get to steaming. Or if we wanted to use an extended tip, which I usually recommend using the extended tip just because the steam's going to be away from you and you don't have to have it right up in your face. So what you could do is attach that on there, take this piece, snap it on, and now you've got a long extended tip on here. Then you could attach your other attachments on top. Like let's say we wanted to use this little metal wire brush and we wanted to put that one on top. We can go ahead and put it on there. Everything just twists into place. So everything is plug and play with each other. Regardless of what type of attachment you want to use on the end of this, you can go ahead and just twist it right on. This is a really cool attachment that it comes with too, and this is to help steam clean your windows or any large glass. Another good place for this would be something like your microwave or even your oven, because it's got a little squeegee piece up here at the top, which is nice. And then you can go ahead and attach this on just like the other one. So now you've got this steam squeegee that you could utilize. Plus it's also going to come with these little socks that go over the top. So if you wanted to kind of push these over the top, this is nice because you are able to cover a lot of surface area with the sock on top of here, and you're kind of getting that scrubbing action in with it as well. Now if you didn't want to use this angled attachment up at the top, again, all of these pieces are interchangeable, so you can take any of these attachments and put it straight on here. When I'm using this one, sometimes I feel like the straight one makes a little bit more sense rather than the angled, because you kind of have to angle it in a weird direction, but I think that one works great. You also have your traditional scrub brush here, and I absolutely love this attachment right here because you really are able to agitate that dirt, and these are pretty strong bristles on here. They're not quite as strong as the metal one, but like the metal one you don't really necessarily want to use on grout or your basic stuff at your house. This is something you're going to want to use in your bathrooms, your kitchens, pretty much anywhere, and it's pretty much safe for most materials. Obviously you want to kind of use your common sense here and don't want to scratch up anything that is super sensitive, so just make sure that the bristles are totally okay with the surface that you're working on. Then the last one here before we get into the demo is going to be these scraper tools, and these are amazing for if you're trying to get stickers off. If you got kids, you know, they're putting stickers all over the place. This is great because this actually will steam and scrape anything off of the surface. So anything that's really stuck on there, you can really scrape it up with this. And yeah, these attachments are so helpful, and I love using all of these in different situations. So now let's go ahead and get to using it. Now let's take a look at the machine real quick. There's going to be 6 different settings. So I'm going to turn this on, and you're going to see there's level 1 all the way up to level 6, and I'll show you how to add the water and stuff to that in a bit, but let's get to working with this. Now you can see I've got just the traditional steam attachment on here. I'm going to start breaking up all this dirt on here. So take a look at this real quick. You can see how dirty everything is. It's been a little while since we've cleaned it, so let's go ahead and start spraying it down. We're going to use the heat and the steam from this to really break everything up. We're going to focus on this little area right here because this looks like where it's the worst. And you're going to already see that this is actually getting clean right away, but there is some parts on here that are extra stuck on. And what we'll want to do for that is we're going to want to add on a different attachment. So let me pause this real quick. I'm going to let that go down for a second so I don't burn myself. But again, I do have these gloves on, which is nice because these are going to protect your hands from getting messed up. Now, we've got our attachment, but I've got it on backwards. Let's flip it upside down here. Now this attachment, again, is the one that has the scraper on it. So we should be able to scrape this stuff up. Plus, I also have my glove here for backup. But let's try to work with just the scraper. Let's turn it back on. I'm going to go all the way up to level 6. We'll let it start going, and you can see it's going to stick out, right? So this area right here, let's go ahead and start scraping. There it is. Let's look at here. And you can see everything is coming off nice and easy now, especially with the addition of the steam. And it works great on flat surfaces, obviously, because this piece right here is going to be flat. If we really wanted to get into like these smaller areas, like the burners, then I would probably pick using the scrub brush, but I don't think it's necessary since a lot of the surface area here is flat. And look at all that gunk that we picked up right there. Just off of one single scrape. Okay, we'll give it a few more passes and then we should be ready for a wipe. All right, I think that's good. Let's turn it off. I'm gonna let the steam calm down for a second. And it's nice because you can see it's not spraying a bunch of just water out. It's actually steam as soon as you turn it on. Now I'm gonna just wipe it down with some basic paper towels for ease of sake here. And we're gonna take a look at our results. So come on closer, take a look at this. Right here in the middle. Boom, nice and clean. Look at all that we got off. So easy. And I love the fact that we're not using any type of chemicals here. A lot of times, you know, when you have someone come over and clean or you do the cleaning yourself, you end up having to use these harsh chemicals to get everything off. And those chemicals, you got to think, those chemicals are actually staying there. So they're up in the air, you're intaking those with your breath, and it's nice because this is just using straight up water. So you're really sanitizing and cleaning everything at the same time with just steam. Now there is a little bit left in here. This is where I would say we're gonna wanna steam it again and then probably hit it right here with these little bristles that are on the hand gloves, and we should be able to get all of that out, no problem. But it did an amazing job. That literally took us maybe like 2 minutes, and we were really able to do a great job on cleaning everything up here. And we got, I would say, like 85% of it cleaned up in just one pass. Now let's take an actual look at the machine because I want to show you this up closer. You're gonna see it's very compact, lightweight, easy to carry around, which I like. Also, these pieces will detach as well. You can kind of unclip that there and that'll come off. Now, the way that we're actually gonna fill this up with water is down here at the bottom. So you can see that there is a little rubberized piece right here. That's just gonna pop open. There's a hole right there. And then you're just gonna fill that part up with water. And you can see there's a tank down here that's gonna show you your actual water level. So very easy. It also has this handle right here that makes it easy to move around, because a lot of times people are going to be utilizing this not only in their kitchen, but in their bathroom, their living room, all around the house. This is not just for one specific area. So when you're finished with a room and you're ready to move to the next room, I mean, you literally just unplug it, grab it, and bring it with you wherever you want to go. So this really is the all-in-one package when it comes to a steamer, especially if you're looking for something lightweight, compact to bring all around the house. Again, like I said, you could use this in your kitchen, your bathroom, your living room, pretty much everywhere, and it's amazing because you don't have to use any type of chemicals. It's straight up just steam. So not only are you cleaning, but you're sanitizing at the same time, and that's the major thing why we switched to steam instead of using chemicals in the house. This one is literally so small and compact. It's got 6 different steam levels, super easy to use because all you got to do is turn it off and on, and it's got all the attachment, everything you need from scraping, scrubbing, metal brushes for harder jobs, like maybe things like a boat. Then they also have this scrubber right here, which is amazing to clean off any type of windows, glass, or anything like that. Plus a couple other little accessories like the microfiber towel and these little microfiber pieces here. So if you're looking for a steamer, this is one of the best ones that I've tried out, especially for the small compact size. I think this works amazing. So if you're looking to get a steamer, I would definitely recommend picking this one up.